Welcome to 193 Ocean View Ave in Mystic, Connecticut. We're a short distance to downtown Mystic, lots of outside entertainment spaces, tons of updates inside, all with the perfect amount of historic charm. Come on inside. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2 options for master suites, they remodeled the kitchen to open it up to the main living spaces. This house is fantastic for you. Thank you for watching our video. As always, I appreciate all of your support. I think you're truly gonna like this one. Comment below on what you think of the video. Till next time, like, follow, share.